Okay, sir. So, the calling attention moved by Honorable Member Alexio Reginaldo about the leachate flowing from the Sonsodo garbage dump. All the members have expressed what is reality. Basically, this government should prove that it is not making this a monument of inefficiency. And Bab Vijay Sardesai and Reginald, I have seen them, or Bab Digambar Kamath. This issue is, I think, for several years. I hope it's a serious issue because it is relating to the lives of the people, health issues. So you have to take serious steps pertaining to this.
Speaker sir, as far as this issue is concerned, I think most of the members have more knowledge on this issue and experience, and this journey has been too long. Honorable Shri Digambar Kamath and Shri Vijay Sardesai, Alex Reginald Lawrence, and now Mr. Yuri Alema was also mentioned. This is I have already circulated the answer, but when I was going through the whole thing, they have already taken certain steps. There's also a High Court order regarding this day-to-day waste management, collection, each and every aspect. But I think, like you just mentioned, what answers are giving, I'm being very frank, what answers are, I think Honorable Minister for Solid Waste Management also, Mr. Babush, also had visited the dump, and then it was decided, I was told that they were supposed to collect and clear the old legacy waste, which is in process. Then there was a collapse which you were telling me about, the leachate which is continuously flowing, but that was because of the boundary wall of the old structure which is there, which was actually the old plant, which is now actually become obsolete and outdated. That collapsed as a result of which is coming out. But now I think we have given directions for the 5 tanks. Yeah, and also the 5 tanks which need to be installed, so that this goes and there's no drainage. I mean, this leachate doesn't move out from that particular area. So there's collection points which the DMA has just made a mention to be. But I think this needs much more thought process to go in. And also, like I wanted to actually, we didn't get an opportunity. If you go within the city of Chennai, you can see the treatment, segregation of waste that is taking place on such a large scale. Ours is very small compared to that. And it's in the middle of the city. It's in the middle of the city where this is actually being done. I think something needs to be done drastically. I think with Honorable Minister for Solid Waste Management and myself, and I think all of us can sit down, and then we can brief the Honorable Chief Minister what is the way forward. What we are looking at now, whether it is the tank, what Mr. Digambar Kamath was suggesting, I think he suggested that this measure has to be taken. But this is too long and too old an issue. So we can sit down, and if required, we can also ask some people to give us a presentation on the way forward, because we need to work hand in hand with Mr. Babush Mansarat so that we are able to work in tandem. As far as the municipality is concerned, whatever verticals of funds come for this particular thing, we are ready
just a minute. Under Rule 16 of Rule and Procedure, I extend the House by 15 minutes.
We will make sure that whatever the other day I was told, we were supposed to transfer certain amount of money, what is there in our vertical, to his department. We will do whatever is required to work in tandem. But one thing what comes is just now is that nobody wants to take this waste into his particular area. That becomes another big headache. म्हणजे क्लियर करताना आम्ही आता आनी कितें विशय आयिल्लो. आम्ही सांगले आता हे वेट वेस्ट जे कितें आहा हे कोण हांगा एक्स कडे धाडया. ते मागीर कोण घेवपाक तयार जायना मागीर. So as a result of which that we'll have to sit down and we'll work out a modality. And I think I also need to understand this issue much better. You have more knowledge on this issue because you have been pursuing this particular issue because it is affecting you directly. I am holding urban development for the first time. Whatever suggestions given by Vijay Sardesai, Mr. Digambar Kamath, or Mr. Alex Reginald, or Mr. Yuri Alema, we'll take it and we'll try to find out a modality, and I will tell you exactly what is the verticals that are available, what is the money that is available, and how we can move forward in ensuring this is happening. But your issue immediately is being addressed. As of now, it's being addressed so to prevent the leachate from going into contaminating any other area in front.
Goa News Hub.